Hello. In lecture number 7 of Logic Gate and Logic Families, these are some outlines of lecture number 7. First one is the logic circuit and second one is the solve expression and logic circuit. We already studied that there are different types of laws such as Boolean laws, De Morgan's theorem, and duality theorem, as well as different types of Boolean laws such as commutative law, associative law. These laws are used to reduction the circuit. By using reduction the circuit, there are less number of components are required. So after reducing the circuit, there is necessary to draw the logic circuit diagram of the given expression. So in this lecture we will study the construction of logic circuit. As already discussed previously, any Boolean expressions can be realized or constructed or implemented or drawn using logic gates. There are different types of logic gates such as AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate. These are all logic gates are studied by in lecture number 2 or 3. Before realizing a Boolean expressions, it should be simplified so that requirement of number of gates may be reduced. Simplification of given Boolean expressions can be minimized or simplified using various methods. Here the simplification is done using basic Boolean laws. Logic circuit. Now we will take here first example of logic circuit. Here the example is the draw logical circuit for the following Boolean expressions using basic gates y is equal to a bar b plus bc. This expression given above is already a reduced form, so further simplification is not possible. This is the given example of logic circuit. Given example is the y is equal to a bar b plus bc. Here the given example. This given example already in reduction form. So we will draw here the logical circuit diagram. Here I am taken as a. This one is the a bar. For a, here connected as a NAND gate. So here gate as the A bar B C. Now A bar. Here the first expression is the A bar. Here the first expression is the A bar. So writing from this here the A bar. Now B. So here writing as the B. This point is B. In between A bar B there is a AND gate are present. Now BC. Here the B term and here the C term. In between BC there is also a AND gate. So in between this first expression and in second expression there is a OR gate are present. So here draw here the OR gate. For example, given expression is the A B plus C. Given expression is the AB plus C. If the given expression is the AB plus C, so how to draw this expression AB plus C? So here I am taken as A, here I am taken as B, this one is the A term, this one is the B term. So in between A and B, which gate is present? AND gate is present. So here I am writing as here the AND gate is present. So here the AB term. So here is the AB term. This one is your AB, and after that here I am writing as AB plus C. So here I am taken as C, and in between there is a OR gate are present. So here writing as the ABC. Here writing as the ABC. This is the logical circuit diagram of the AND expression, the given expression. This one is the logical circuit diagram of given expression. Here the ABC. Now we will study the second logical expression diagram. This one is the simplify following boolean expression and draw the logic gate diagram. Here the given expression is the y is equal to ab bar plus a plus b bar after bracket a into b bar. So here is the which law is present, De Morgan's theorem are present. So here I am writing as a bar dot b bar. Now a b bar is nothing but here is also a De Morgan's theorem, so writing as the a bar plus b bar. Here writing as the a bar plus b bar after bracket a into b bar. In these two terms, which term is common here? In these two terms, which term is common here? In these two terms, b bar is common here, so remaining term is 1 plus a bar and after bracket a into b bar. So here I am writing as the b bar dot 1. A 1 plus a bar is nothing but 1. So remaining term is a bar plus b bar and after bracket a dot b bar. Then these two terms is multiply with this term. So here getting as the a bar dot a dot b bar and in second term b bar dot a dot b bar. So a into a bar is nothing but a into a bar is nothing but 0. So all these three terms are 0 here and remaining term is b bar dot a dot b bar, but b into b is nothing but, here see that here b into b is nothing, a into a is nothing but a, so b into b is nothing but b into b is nothing but b and b bar into b bar is nothing but b bar. So final expression is the a bar dot b bar. So here writing as the this one is the b b bar taking as a not gate. So here writing as the this is the final expression. In between a into b bar there is a AND gate is present, so final expression is like this. Now we will take some example of reduction form. Y is equal to ab plus abc plus abc bar. Now in these two terms which term is common here? See here in these two terms which term is common here? Ab term is common here, so remaining term is c plus c bar. Remaining term is c plus c bar, but c plus c bar into 1, so ab as it is, right? Ab as it is, this ab as it is. Now c into c plus c bar is equal to 1, so ab plus ab is nothing but ab. Ab plus ab is nothing but ab. AB plus AB is nothing but AB. So final expression in reduction logical circuit diagram here the this one is the A, this one is the B. In between A and B which gate is present here? In between A and B AND gate is present here. So I am writing here AB. This is the final expression. Now I am taking a second example. In these two expression which term is common here? There is no term is common here, but in these two terms which term is common here? Here the a bar b, and in these two terms which term is common here? A term is common here. Remaining term is b plus b bar is the remaining term, but b plus b bar is but b plus b bar into 1, so final expression is the a bar b. Final expression is the a bar b plus final expression is the a bar b plus a. This one is your final expression. After that there is a no reduction takes place, so here I am taking as a, so remaining term is AND gate. Here is the a bar term and after that taking as the b. This one is the b term. Now a bar b. First is the a bar b. This one is the a bar and this one is the b. So here final term is the, here the a bar b, a bar b. Now second term is the a. Second term is the a, and in between these two terms which gate is present here? and get is or get is present here. This one is the final expression. This one is the A. So final answer is the, in this expression is the final answer is the A bar B plus A is the final expression of these equations. In this way we will solve the other example. First taking the reduction form and after draw the logical circuit diagram. If any queries related to this lecture, then you will ask me.